Well, this beautiful plant is Cotyledon orbiculata from South Africa. Isn't it lovely? It's blooming this winter. It doesn't always bloom in winter. It depends on how cold it is. It attracts honey eaters. I'm just waiting for them to come. Let's wait for the honey eaters to come. There's honey in those trumpets, in those bells. All those bells contain honey, well, nectar. Just waiting for those birds to come. Have to be patient. Of course, I saw them this morning when I didn't have my camera with me. They do the rounds. They do the rounds of all the red bells several times a day. They're easy to grow from pieces. All you do is break off a piece and plant it, and you've got another plant. So it's not as if most people can't afford them. Who's that in there? A blackbird, is it? In that loquat tree. Looks like the blackbird having a bath. It's just had a bath and it's drying off. It's just had a bath below in the bird bath. On this lazy and quiet Sunday afternoon. Oh, there's more than one. Loquat trees do have a Japanese look about them, don't they? They're from Japan and eastern China. Two blackbirds. Here we are on this side of the black stump. I'm still waiting for the honey eaters to arrive. Well, there's a silver eye eating an apple. I mightn't be getting honey eaters, but I can get a silver eye eating an apple. Hold still, tripod. There's a few parrots up in the tree. There was a whole host of them here a minute ago, but they flew off. That sounds like the Indian ringneck. I'm still waiting patiently. I'm still waiting. Still waiting for honey eaters. Well, there's a few ants at least doing their thing. Well, anyhow, I've got about 20 more cotyledon orbiculatus to go in. That should make a lot of honey-eater birds happy. Got about 20 altogether, 20 new ones, and these ones are different. These ones are silver. They still have beautiful flowers that will attract the honey-eaters, but these ones have silver leaves. They'll make a beautiful contrast to the ones I've just been showing you. When we walk around the garden, we'll see shades of green and silver. That'll be very beautiful. Very tough, very drought resistant, and they can stand quite some frost as well. Cotyledon orbiculata. Look at that in the nursery. That's that beautiful little oxalis. Oh, that's that beautiful little oxalis. I think it's from South Africa too. I've got quite a few plants from South Africa that can withstand the heat. Aren't they gorgeous? Just look at them. Blooming in wintertime as well. I certainly didn't expect to come across these today. Aren't they gorgeous? Aren't they wonderful? Just glowing. One has to grow tough things in a climate like this. Aren't they gorgeous? So beautiful. These Cape honeysuckles can withstand quite cold weather. It's the middle of winter here, and we've still got some in bloom. Lucky us. Look at that. Some winter colour. Lovely winter colour. They don't give up in the coldest weather. They can stand quite some cold. Cape honeysuckle. What are they called? Tecoma capensis, that's right. There's more Cape honeysuckle in the winter sunlight. So pretty. I don't think that the honey eaters are going to turn up for me. I saw them earlier without my camera, and then I came back with my camera and they weren't there.